In this video, I'll demonstrate drawing by construction using Bernini's sculpture of David as a model. We'll build layer by layer and turn a rough sketch into a proper drawing. The first step is to sketch a stick figure to copy the pose and proportions of our subject. After that, we'll add simple forms to that skeleton, cylinders, spheres, and other basic shapes, like on a mannequin or crash test dummy. Third step is to refine those shapes by drawing the contour of the figure around the main components. Having the mannequin sketched out first gives us a blueprint that makes it easier to put our detailed lines in the right place. A grid can help with your alignment, but you can also do this freehand. Fourth step is to color the entire figure with a medium tone, then outline and color the darkest shadows and the lightest highlights. Try to focus on the shape of those spaces instead of worrying about getting the anatomy or the musculature absolutely perfect. After you have the darkest darks and the lightest highlights, you can add and blend other midtones for a smooth transition between values. Finally, we'll add a ground shadow and some light shading in the background so David doesn't look like he's just floating in space. And there you have it, well-constructed drawing in 5 stages.